days. I exposed all my mung bean seeds under the sunlight in 5 days because I wanted to see what will happen to my seeds. On the first day, they looked good. On the second day, they all sprouted and I saw the shoots. But as the days passed by, my seeds started to change the color from green into brown and wilted until the 5th day. Because the sealed bag has no oxygen or air in it. I have prepared some seeds here. I just placed this in our kitchen. They sprouted and grew. My conclusion from my experiment is the seeds do not really need sunlight to germinate. They don't have true leaves to make food in photosynthesis process. Do you know what do seeds need to germinate? All seeds need wow to germinate. W stands for water. O, oxygen. W, warmth, temperature.